Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. I greet you as always. In today's video, like I said, two tigers are fighting, and then it is becoming more obvious because Dapo Willis decided to do what? Reply Habby. He didn't just reply Habby, but he replied him in a very harsh tone. Very harsh tone. So at this point, I'll be like, let there be peace, because at the end of the day, we still need these guys because they have been in the system and so many people have been looking up to them, and we will not want anybody to fight actually. So this is coming from the Unbelievers Forum. Please, you guys should not fight, okay? No matter what it is, we still need you guys to show us the way. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. Somebody was even telling me that I am causing a serious problem in this forex industry. I'm bringing two mentors head together, trying to, Baba, I know they. So when I come back from this short break, I will dive into the details of the video, how Dapo Willis decided to reply Habby Forex, who also dragged him previously about his trade, his GBP/USD trade. So don't go anywhere. When I come back from this break, I'll just dive there.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. Please, I want to seek for your opinion, okay? You know, I don't like my videos being so long. That's why if you check all my videos, I keep it at 10 minutes, maximum 12 minutes, okay? So please tell me, do you like long videos? Tell me on the comment section, or you still want us to keep to this standard 10 minutes, because I noticed that some topics which I'm supposed to discuss in one particular video, sometimes I need to do 2-3 videos just to discuss it, right? And the reason is simple. I just like the videos 10 minutes like that. So tell me, should I just jump pack so many points and make a very long video 25 minutes, or we should keep to the standard 10 minutes? I need your opinion, okay? The president needs your opinion now. Now, let's come back to the topic. Back to the trade that Willis dropped. He dropped by GBP. This GBP/USD he bought has shaken this industry a lot. Okay, no forex mentor. In fact, all forex mentor talked about this GBP/USD. The moment he said buy GBP/USD, every other trader went into their chart to mark it out. They are not marking it out because they love Dapo Willis. Most traders, they are not marking out because they want Dapo Willis to hit take profit, but they are marking it out so that they will see where the stop loss will hit. And then when it hits, they will come and they will come to their Twitter and be like, Oga, TP, SI don't hit too. Maybe say they won't make TP hit. Okay, I also marked it out on my chart, obviously. So that's the game. On the, you know, in the jungle is competition. Let us have a fair competition. It shouldn't go beyond that, please. In this video, he made reference to a company called Consumable Traders. He said something about Consumable Traders. He tried to give ownership to Consumable Traders. Smart people will watch this video and understand what I want to say. I may not say everything, but from what the police will say here now, pick this point. One, he criticized the company, Consumable Traders. He tried to give ownership. That is, who owns the company. For me, I don't know who owns Consumable up till now. But from what Daps is saying here now, he made an attempt to give ownership. That's telling people who owns Consumable, and also went ahead to bash the owners of Consumable Traders. So watch this video and learn and pray that these things doesn't escalate beyond this. All right? Now, I'll quickly play the clip. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, should I just kneel down and beg you to subscribe? Okay, let me just do that. Mentor, my knees are on the ground right now. Just assume the knees on the ground. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've done enough work to be here by this time talking to you. You know, I left the meetings upon meetings, Unbelievers Forum meetings, just to talk to you this morning. Please subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Telegram, okay? The link will be in my description box. And trade with the broker I recommend. I'm recommending these brokers because they have good spread. Please, okay? When you subscribe, then follow that link, sign up, create an account using my broker. Register an account, trade with the broker. Each time I'm recommending a broker, one, I'm recommending them because they are regulated and trusted. So let's dive straight into the video.
I ain't got nothing to fucking prove, bro. Whoever tell the haters that Dapo Willis came into the industry, he came, he saw, he conquered. And a lot of people out there, a lot of these people that are hating, these are founders of prop firms that have failed, really and truly. They are failures. These people are failures, to be honest. They are failures. They're all fucking failures, man. Anytime people fail at stuff and then they see you thriving, they just hate. So why am I going to pay attention to that? Like I said, I ain't got time for the hearing, man. You understand? My only attention now is on my GBP USD trade and to you guys. Forex Mastery 2.0 launches on the 3rd of November. Join the wait list. How many people do we have on this room right now? It's dropped all the way down to 869. All the haters have run away. 869 people. I'm going to drop the link one more time. People just wanted to come and hear what I had to say. Wanted to come and say that Dapo Willis, you're a liar, blah, 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 blah. Let me even see what Twitter is saying. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have to leave you guys now. I love you guys very much. Thank you very much for staying to the end of the stream. Do we have any more questions? If you want to hear more about the Forex Mastery 2.0, ensure to join the wait list. Do we have any more questions before I gotta go? Your boy gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Failed prop firm owners trying to troll me. Are you fucking joking, bro? You scam people of their money, you still have mouth to talk. If I were you, I'd have left you too. Fucking joking, man. Fucking joking, man. I don't go back and forth anymore. I don't argue with people anymore. I just deliver on the results, man. I just let the results speak for themselves. All right, guys. So on that note, I'm gonna have to say good night to you guys. 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 21 minutes. I think I have a podcast coming out with some keys on Saturday, so you guys want to watch out to that. But I'm going to be updating you guys on the Euro USD trade on Twitter tomorrow and GBP USD. I'm going to be adding more positions actually to those various trades. So you never can tell how much I might just break the record with this shit, man. Once again, if you're watching this, after the live stream, don't forget to click the link to join the waitlist for the Forex Mastery 2.0. I love you guys very much. 6 million traders across the world saw the tweet, and we had over 4,000 likes, 1.1 thousand interactions, people arguing amongst themselves, people insulting me. We had people supporting me. It was crazy. It was wild, but it was interesting because, I mean, we all know how Forex trading is. Forex trading is a very emotional battle. But one thing I did not expect was the insults. The insults were crazy, absolutely crazy. But if there's anything that I want you guys to learn from what has happened on this GBP USD trade is the fact that you have to believe in your strategy 1000%. You need to have an utmost belief in your strategy. For me, my strategy happens to be the top-down analysis and the Willis zone, obviously, which is part of the Forex Mastery program. I think the whole thing just, as you can tell, I'm a bit speechless because I don't even know where to start addressing it from. For me, it was a regular trade. I trade most of the time. I call my trades on Trader Talk. A lot of the times here on my YouTube channel, I call these trades live. For me, it was a regular trade that I placed. I just placed the trade and I'm just like, you know what? Whatever. Here it is. This is what I'm trading. This is my stop loss count. Blah blah blah. And to see people jump in and want to see the trade fail so bad, you know, it's absolutely crazy. I never knew that amount of hate existed on the internet. It was crazy. Like people insulted everything about me. It was like, why is this place hot? Give me a second, guys. Got it now. 709 people. Thank you guys for joining. Anyways, what was I blabbing about? So, I mean, like, it was a trade that I was going to place anyways. I've been off Twitter for the longest time. I remember the last time I was on Twitter, I trended, I think it was in December. It was about me flying a private jet and private jet windows being different, crazy stuff trending on Twitter. So I had promised my team that I was going to stay away from Twitter. I had promised my loved ones I was going to stay away from Twitter. I said, you know what, let me stay off Twitter because it was causing so much havoc. Every time I go on Twitter, there's always some controversy or the other, so I just stayed away. Only just last week, I just decided to come back on Twitter last week. Literally, if you check my tweets, my phone, my Twitter has been, I have my handler handling my Twitter, my brand manager has been handling my Twitter. In fact, I even told her not to tweet anything at all. But I decided to come back because I'm just like, bro, I'm not going to allow the fact that every time I come on Twitter, there's some controversy or the other stop me from tweeting. People have to hear my message. So I came back peacefully, and one of the things that I wanted to share with everybody around the world was a trade that I felt was going to do very well. So I did that, and it's rather unfortunate that the stop loss that I obviously placed on the trade, which was $24 million, I think what blew people's mind and what made people go crazy was the dollar value of the stop loss. It was $24 million. Most people have never heard those kind of figures before. Those kind of figures blew people's mind away, and it forced them to react. And obviously they heard about the $24 million and everybody went absolutely bonkers. Was I surprised? Not really. I wasn't really surprised because... Sorry, I'm just checking the comments. I wasn't really surprised because, the average Joe has never seen $1 billion before, let alone $24 million. But this also buttresses the point that not a lot of people are exposed to huge numbers. And for every podcast that I go on to and they ask me, I always tell them that, yo, listen, you need to think big. Not a lot of traders are thinking big. Most people don't even think that big. I think because of me, Forex traders are now actually thinking along those lines. Before I came into the game, deposit $10,000, deposit $100,000, even $500,000 was seen as a taboo. And here I am coming and breaking. Do you understand? You guys don't even understand that it's a paradigm shift going on here. Like, I am opening and exposing your mind to the possibilities of Forex trading. So naturally people are going to hate on it because I'm feeding them with stuff that is requiring their brain to have to process something it has never processed before.